Hello. Today we will continue the exercise 3.5 third main. No, not the third main, last main, third problem. Say yes scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Read the question attentively. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks be deducted for each incorrect answer, then Yash would have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? How many questions were there in the test? Okay, let us have the solution in this way. Let X represent represents right answer. Y represents incorrect or wrong answer. Therefore, by statement yes scored 40 marks. In a test and 3 marks for each right answer, and losing 1 mark. One mark for incorrect or wrong answer. Therefore, the verbal statement will be 3 marks for right answer. 3 marks right answer we have considered as X. So 3X plus losing 1 mark. Y represent the wrong answer, that is losing 1 mark. 3X minus 1Y equals to 40. That means 3X minus Y equals to 40. This one is the first equation. Next statement, by statement 2, had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks be declared for each incorrect answer, then S should have scored 50 marks. If he has scored 50 marks, in what way? 4 marks for correct answer then 2 marks for incorrect answer. Okay, now the 4x minus 2y equals to 50. This will be the second equation. See, gaining is 4x, losing is 2y, because we have considered basically x represent the right answer and y represent the wrong answer. Okay, solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. That first is 3x minus y equals to 40. Then 4x minus 2y equals to 50. Okay, let us carry the equation. 2 3s are 6x minus 2y equals to 80. Then 4x minus 2y equals to 50. Now minus plus minus, that is plus 2y minus 2y gets cancelled. 2x equals to 80 minus 50, 30. Therefore x equals to 30 by 2. 2 1s are 2 15s are. Therefore x equals to 15. Put x equals to 15 in 1. That is 3x minus y equals to 40. 3 into 15 minus y equals to 40. 45 minus y equals to 40. Minus y equals to 40 minus 45. Therefore y equals to minus 5. Therefore minus y equals to minus 5. Therefore y equals to 5. Now write down the solution. Then I will explain once again. Now see what they have asked there. They have asked the total number of questions. See, the S written, how many questions he has written the right answers? He has written right answers as 15. X we have considered as right answers. Wrong answers Y, that is 5. So total number of questions. Total questions equals to x plus y, that is 15 plus 5, that is equals to 20. 15 plus 5 equals to 20. Okay, this is the method of solving this question. Okay, see, this one is the fourth exercise of exercise 3.5. Read the problem carefully. Places A and B are 100 km apart on the highway. One car starts from A and another from B. At the same time, if the car travel in the same direction at different speeds, they meet on 5 hours. In the 5 hours, if they travel towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. What are the speeds of the two cars? Okay, let x be the speed of the car at position A, at position A, and y be the speed of the car at position B. The unit will be kilometer per hour. Let x be the speed of the car at position A and y be the speed of the car at position B. Now, if the car travel in the same direction, then speed will be x minus y kilometer per hour. X minus y kilometer per hour. Then if the car travel in the same direction at the different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. If they travel towards each other, kilometer per hour. Okay? Now see the solution and once again think in what way we have considered. Now we have to solve this problem on the basic concept of the speed formula, that is speed equals to distance divided by time. Okay, now distance, speed into time equals to distance. Okay, speed for first case, into time 5 hours equals to distance, that is 100. In first case, x minus y equals to 100 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 20s. Therefore, x minus y equals to 20. This one is the equation 1. Now in second case, speed x plus y into time 1 hour equals to the direction equals to 100 kilometers. This one is the second equation. Now solving 1 and 2. put x equals to 60 in 1. Therefore, minus y equals to minus 40. Y equals to 40 kilometer per hour. See, the speed of the car at the position A is x we have considered. So x equals to 60 kilometer per hour. Then speed of the car at the position B we have considered as y. So y is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Okay, write down the question. So here little bit that compact way of solving has happened. So solve carefully this part of the problem.